Hello guys, I am going to show you how to create a file that can make your computer type all by itself. And today I am going to be using the file.vbs file. So the first line of code you want to do is set shell equal to create object, and then in the parentheses you want to type wscript.shell. So that's your first line of code. What this is telling you is that it is telling the Windows script to create an object called shell, which will be wscript.shell. Next line of code, we are going to write shell.run, and then in the parentheses we are going to put comma, and then inside that we are going to put a notepad.exe. What this is telling us is to only type in notepad and only notepad. The next thing you want to write is wscript.sleep50, and the first line of code you want to write is shell.send keys, and then I'm going to do hello world, and we copy and paste this several times. Eh? Next we are going to type the same thing, but over here we are going to put a space because we want a space between hello and world. Control C, W, and then over here put O, R, L, and over here you put D. Last thing you want to do is copy this again and then put a period. What this command is telling us is that whenever the computer ghost types these characters, it will do it in a manner. Over here it will just do a space. And this wscript.sleep50 is how long it will be before it starts typing the next character. Last line we just want to select wscript sleep. Now you want to save it as VBS extension only or it will not work. Hello world. And that's how you do it.